Hey guys, welcome back to the Chief Life Kitchen. I'm Matthias Turner and today we're making some vegan-friendly buckwheat pancakes. Let's have a look at the ingredients.
True protein vegan blend, buckwheat flour, coconut milk, cinnamon, vanilla essence. Start by placing some water in your blender or NutriBullet. You can add in all the ingredients from there, so coconut milk, protein powder, your buckwheat flour, cinnamon, and vanilla essence. When blending, you might get some parts stick to the side, and so this is why we pour a little bit more water in and shake it around, make sure that we're getting everything off the side, getting all the ingredients all together. Reblend until it's all mixed through. Heat your pan with some oil. Pour your batter into the pan. Ideally, we'll let these cook for about a minute or until they bubble all the way through. This is the ideal time to flip the pancake. Once your pancakes are cooked, we'll just repeat this process until the batter is all used. And here's your final product of the vegan buckwheat pancakes.